Hi, this is John Licata with Licata Group Keller Williams Capital Properties, and today we're doing our virtual open house. Sort of a new process that we're trying to use, and I think you'll find this house to be a beautiful house, very stately, on 200 Sand Trap. It's a very nice, quiet street. Although I hear someone blowing their leaves, it's a great day here at the lake and people are taking the opportunity to work out in the yard. Walking in the house, you see a nice formal dining room off the kitchen. This home has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Nice big, beautiful open area to mix and mingle. We'll go downstairs in a little bit. It has a full finished basement. I see a little bird here. Walk in here to the half bath. Nicely done. Beautiful flooring. Certainly move-in condition. First full bath. Another bedroom used as an office. For you telecommuters. Another office here, bedroom, so it's sort of a Jack and Jill type setup. Bedroom with closet, but this couple is using it as an office. So I'm walking back out to the great room. Nice propane fireplace. Colors, very neutral type colors into the master area. Big, bountiful bedroom with 2 walk-in closets. Very nice. Going to the master area, double sink. Very light and airy, again, very neutral, very welcoming place. This is a golf course property. The beautiful home has over 3,800 square feet inside. It's very open, and as you walk out to an enclosed porch, cedar style, out to a nice hardscape patio. We're going to go back into the lower level, but right on the golf course. Just a fantastic setting. You know, you come down here with high blood pressure and you lose it pretty quickly. Nice area to entertain and barbecue. I see some golfers in the distance. This property is very private. Walking back in. Oops, excuse me. Probably should open the door the right way. Back into the house. Get another look at the kitchen. Nice cabinets. So I'm walking down to the lower level. The house has a 2-car garage. This couple has it full right now. They're getting ready to move. So I won't have a video of that. Utility room. Nice big utility room to work in. Full bath downstairs. Plenty of storage in here. A nice media room. As you can see. Place to have fun. A lot of people come to the lake to have fun. Another bedroom, big bedroom down here, as you can see. Into another great room in the lower level with hardwood floors. Looks like it's mainly used for guys' stuff and fun things. And storage, a lot of storage here. A lot of storage. Big water heater for you practical types. Lake of the Woods is a private, gated, secured community. 2 lakes. It's a very amenity-rich. People move here. Obviously, the homes are value priced and our taxes are lower, but it is an amenity-rich community, and you will love it. Thank you for following us on 200 Sand Trap.